Spreadsheets make it easier to collect, organize, store, and sort data. The spreadsheet you created in this lesson allows you to track your monthly expenses and can help you manage your money responsibly. In this lesson, you learned about the structure of a spreadsheet, created headings in a spreadsheet, itemized your expenses and listed their cost, categorized your expenses and determined the frequency of their occurrence, and used a spreadsheet formula to calculate the total cost of your expenses. Budgeting is a skill you can use for the rest of your life, and not only for your personal finances, whether you manage a budget at work for the local PTA or for a volunteer organization. Use a spreadsheet to organize expenses and save money. Have fun using the spreadsheet you created in this lesson to track your expenses every month and start building a yearly budget. And check out the extensions to learn even more about using a spreadsheet to organize your personal finances.